I'm lucky to be, and it's simple as that, like I'm lucky to be in business with people that are extremely intelligent, that do not leave what they can do today for tomorrow. That's an important aspect. If you can do something now, you do it now. You don't wait for it. Most of us are essentially obsessed. And with us, it's not about the economic gain. It's more about solving those problems. It's the splinter in your mind where you realize from the community that there is a problem that needs to be solved, and you need to solve it for the community. You can't really say to your community, yeah, it's coming, or, yeah, we'll do this. You need to really constantly improve your service. Now, how do we do it fast? You know what? I don't know. I mean, we're a very lean organization in the sense that we have 3 full-time employees and 2 part-time employees. So we're very lean and we want to keep it that way. And that's why we picked the SaaS as an organization to work under or to develop. So it becomes hard. It becomes difficult to manage customer service requests, to manage a community, and at the same time to improve and evolve the platform. It becomes difficult, but somehow it just happens, man.
Mate, what we're doing in the mastermind and how good that group is for us all is it's amazing. I mean, everyone's getting a lot out of it. Even me just now had the shits that you were. I could see. I'm like waiting for you to jump on this thing, and I could see you responding. Online, it's you're always responding, and I think everyone's getting a lot out of it, and we're all super happy with how it's going so far.
Yeah, thanks, man. I mean, the beauty of the mastermind as well, is that you're constantly customer facing, and you understand their pulse. You have your hand on their pulse in the sense that you know what they need and what they want, and that's a feedback loop that gets fed back into the metrics and into everything else. And then in the background we've recently, we have a new advisor on board. I can't disclose his name, who is an AI expert. And when I say an AI expert, an expert in a sense that he can build new AI modules that don't have to leverage ChatGPT or anything else. So now that's another aspect that we're working on. So he will build this AI experience on the platform where you're going to be able to communicate with the platform as you're using it. And it's going to be able to give you answer when it comes to your portfolios, to your strategies, to the connection of metrics, it's going to be crazy, man. So it's going to really, really improve the user experience and help individuals to not only use the platform to make a decision, but also get educated at the same time. Now, this individual like Alex, they're insane, bro. That's the end of the game. Like they just don't stop.
They're not normal humans, no.
Yeah, like they sit down, they grab something, and they work on it for. I'll give you an example. That this individual, it's an interesting story, and how I came across him. So we became friends recently. We just connected, have the same energy, have the same views, have the same levels of lucidness. So if I can say that, I don't even know if that's a word, but anyway, I just I wung it. I don't even know if that's a word. And we started chatting. And anyway, he came over. He's from another state. He said, Matt, listen, I just want to have a break from my work and all of that. I come over. We hang out at your house, spend the weekend, whatever. We do things. I go, Matt, come, it doesn't matter. He came. And I was working on HTAG, on the weekend. I was answering questions and all of that. He came upstairs. Now, you've been in my house. So he came upstairs where my workstation is. And he's like, what are you working on, And I said, no, I'm just, this was like an older iteration of HTAG. I'm just working on something. I go, and I was, what is it? Can you tell me more about it? What do you want to see? What's the features that you guys are working on? What do you want, Mate, I didn't even, and he asked me about these intricate questions. What is the back end? Is it developer? What is all of these? I go, man, I don't know. Like, you have to ask Alex. I have no clue. So I haven't given him any foundation at all about the platform itself, but I did mention some of the features and some of the metrics that we would like to introduce. Anyway, Monday comes. He goes to work. So Monday, he left my house at 8:30 or 9. At 11 a.m., he sends Alex and I complete code for one of great features we wanted to introduce. Now, let me put this in perspective. So he said, gents, this is from me to you, free of charge, use it. And to put it in perspective, Alex, who is a coder, says that it would take 2 weeks for something like this to be built. The guy built it in 2 hours, allowing for traffic to his work, yeah? Like, that's why I said 2 hours. Like, mate, that's insane.
Why? That's why we're all shocked at how quickly you guys are constantly releasing, updating, changing the platform. I mean, we're migrating over from Telegram now, the mastermind as well. Like,
Have you had a peek around in Circle?
I had a, oh, it looks amazing. So the way in which it's constantly evolving, like you can't even keep up with it as a consumer in a good way, like it's always innovating, and it's from a buyer's agent standpoint, it's a game changer.